Hello, welcome to Software Design. Today we'll be discussing how to blend images in background, and then blending of images are very easy. Let's take for instance, come to your this file explorer, select the background here, select this background, and for example this symbol here, select the two of them, click on it, show here, then copy, and then go back to the corridor from here and then paste. This is our background, this is the background. I want to blend this inside. So you want to blend, and then press control page up to bring it up. Then want to bring this upwards, and looking at it, this is a png file already, so you can select it, click on this transparency tool, and then there's a degree of transparency. Once you begin to increase or reduce it at the range of 50, is already matching with the background itself. You reduce it, you you see how sharp it becomes. You carry it in, you see how low exposure it becomes. And for instance, you can even, at this point, it gives life to your design, which you can even write on it. Press control page up for the write-up to come up. If it doesn't come up, press shift page up and you see it's up. You can equally change the color for it to come up, and then you see that it is blending with the background for it to come out better. Increase the size like this, increase it, and it is better off now like this. Thank you. Subscribe for more updates.